Shreya, Arpe, Nandini. Yes, yes, come on, switch on your camera, Gungun. Yes, you will get your seats, Yamini. Yes, yes, Kamna, Drisha, Adarsh, and Nandini. Oh, come on, dear. Good, good, good. Come and sit, take your place. Switch on your camera, you will get a seat here. Let me share my screen so that you can also have this wonderful experience of this one. Just give me a second. Let me share my screen so that you can also keep your camera on only. Keep your camera on only. This is a small thing. After that, we will move on to the next one. Are you able to see you? Are you able to see you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, others also
Yes,
please on your
ma'am.
camera better. Then only. Have you all switched on your cameras? Everyone? Yes. Divyanshu, Gungun, I am seeing. Switch on your camera. Palak. Yes, yes, yes. Make yourself comfort. Aditya, I can see you. Yes, very nice. I am also sitting at the last desk. Are you able to see me? My next one is Nandini and Ankita. They both are there. Abhishek, yes, good, good, good. Yes, let me take one pic of this and after that, let me start my meeting. It's a very beautiful one. Okay. Okay, children. Now you can switch on off the cameras. You can now switch off the cameras. Very beautiful experience to have you all here like this. It's just amazing, I have to say. Okay. Let us have the normal mode. Okay. Okay, children. Let me ask you one simple question. Few of you can switch on your camera. If there is good network means you can keep your camera switch on. Let me ask you a simple question. Who are you? Who are you? Who wants to give the answer? Who are you? Just raise your hand. I will pick one from them. Yes, Sanchita.
Ma'am, we are a human being.
I'm asking who are you? I'm a human being. Yes. Gungun. Gungun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Who are you?
Ma'am, a human being. Same.
Human. Any other answer? Anya? Anya?
I'm to call a learner.
You would love to call you as a learner. Very nicely
Yeah.
defined yourself. Very good.
From everything.
Yeah, yeah. At every point of life, you should have that burning desire to learn that makes you.
Learn in the smallest of things. In the smallest of incidents, there is a learning.
Yeah. If a person, before learning, it seems to be knowledge is vast. If a person has learned many things, then it seems to be whatever he has learned is too small. Am I right, Anya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Any other Arpit? What do you want to say?
Homo sapiens.
Homo sapien, yes, biological term. Very nicely defined yourself. Abhishek? Abhishek?
Ma'am, I'm a person who can achieve anything if I want.
If I want, if and buts are very dangerous. Abhishek defines himself as a person of achiever. Shall I say this one? Shall I define you as a person of achiever?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Aditya Atul. Aditya Atul, unmute and speak better. Aditya, I'm not able to hear what you are speaking. Aditya, Atul,
Social animal.
social animal, very, very nicely defined. Yes, Mayank, Butra,
Ma'am, a person who can do anything without any situation, without any problem, who can
okay.
solve anything.
Okay, resolve anything. Yes. If I say all whatever you said, all the things are correct about defining yourself. You have said yourself as a person who is having a social animal or a learner or an achiever, whatever you said, all the things, whatever you said about you, all are acceptable. I see this one in a very small, different way. We are the action of our thoughts. Whatever thinking process is there, based on that, our actions are there. We do the things according to our thinking process. If you want to be a learner, you become a learner. If you want to be an achiever, you become an achiever. Do you agree with this? We are the action of our thoughts. And now this word cogito, let me come to a little later. I have an interaction in your class about critical thinking, if you remember. Many of you are not able to define what is critical thinking when I ask you in the class. Nothing wrong in it, better. Even at your age, I was not aware about these things. Now only I came to know about critical thinking and how when I studied this, there are so many things that I have to discuss with you. I felt that I should discuss with you, and that is why I have taken this project in my hands, I have to say. First and foremost, let me tell you, you are all the children here. Right now, we are having 45 children here in this meeting. Everyone is unique. Even brother and sisters are sharing. In that case, it is 46 to my knowledge. Um, everyone is unique. You are unique. Do you accept this or not? You are awesome. You are different from the crowd. That is why you are here. If you would have been doing the what other people are doing, definitely you won't be here sitting with me. You want to excel in your life. You want to conquer the whole world in your hand. So that can be done. There is nothing wrong in dreaming. See, the small efforts that you are taking in that itself defines what sort of person you are. You are entirely different from the crowd. You want to be the face of the crowd, as what Joshi sir always says. You are having that burning desire to excel in your life. So before going into critical thinking, I would like to say a small incident, some incident type one. And let me ask you at the end of this, let me ask you a question. See, one man at the age of 40, he is 40 years old. He is driving his car on the road. He was going to his office. On the way, he saw a crowd standing on one side of the road. He got down from the car and he wanted to know why there is the crowd. So he started moving towards the crowd. When he went inside the crowd, he found a boy was terribly met with an accident. When he went closer, to his surprise, he found it was his own son only. Then immediately he called the ambulance and took him to the hospital. Hospital जाते surgeon को बोला my son has met with an accident. Please help him out. The surgeon came out and saw the boy, and that surgeon shouted and screamed, "Oh my son, I can't see you now," like this. How it is possible? Now the question is, the man who went in the car took the boy to the hospital. He is claiming that he is my son. The surgeon came out. Those who knows the answer, just raise the hand. The surgeon who came out also is saying, he is my son. How this one is possible? I can see 4-5 hands raised. So let me go to Rajal. Rajal, how it is possible better?
Ma'am, the surgeon is child's mother.
The surgeon may be the child's mother. Wonderful, brilliant answer. Very good. Keep it up. Yes, the surgeon. Any other answer from anybody else? All are having this answer only. See, out of 47 right now, only 5 or 6 children were having this ability to think it in a different way. Whereas others are not having that ability, or others were not using the way that you are thinking. You are thinking something different where others are not thinking. This is called critical thinking. Thinking something unique where others are not thinking. This ability will help you to excel in all the fields of your life. If you have this ability of this critical thinking, along with critical thinking, there are 3, 4, 5 qualities that I will define you now, little more in later on classes also. And if you have this, success is yours. You are a winner always. You are always surrounded by people. You are always popular. You are being always appreciated for this. Such a critical thinking, don't you think it is necessary for us to learn, to explore more about it? Do you think or not? I want my children to
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Such a fantastic one. If you develop, and you will be surprised if I say this, critical thinking starts developing at the age of, any idea for anyone?
3 or 4.
Ma'am, at the
3
age of
years.
3.
Yes,
3
that's
or 4
what.
years.
3 years. A child at a 3-year-old starts developing the skills. You say this one as for unfortunate part is that the environment is not given such an opportunity for a child to develop those skills. See, you take my example. At this age only, I came to know so much about critical thinking. If at your age, if in your age, if someone would have told me about critical thinking, means I would have excelled in my life better. 100% श्योरिटी के साथ बोल रही हूँ, मैम would have been in a better place now if I would have been given an example of critical thinking. Yes, so don't you think that critical thinking के बारे में थोड़ा सा हम इन चीजों को explore करना, do you think it is important or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is
Yes.
Yes,
important.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It
It's
is
important.
Yes,
important.
ma'am.
Yes, children. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to share a link for you, and in that link, what you have to do is that you just click the link, and this link will take you to the 1 minute. Just a minute. I'm going to give you a link. This link will take you to Jamboard. In that Jamboard, I'm posting it in the chat window. In that Jamboard, what you have to do is that you have to write your best friend. Hardly matters, better. Let us speak the truth now. Hardly matters. Let us speak the truth. You have to write your best friend and the worst enemy. Forget about all the things. आपका इसका नाम लूंगी है तो वो बोलेंगे, इसका नाम लेंगे है तो वो बोलेंगे. Don't think about all those things. Just you go to that page and you see, you write your best friend and worst enemy. How to do that also I will tell you. Just a minute. If you have already gone there, it is no issue there. If you are not able to go, I will tell you how to go. Most of you are doing in mobiles. There you can see, I have shared my window also, beta. This first page is for your best friend. And first page I have taken, that is for your best friend. And the second page is for your worst enemy. You can use the sticky notes. जो मोबाइल से कर रहे हैं, आपको ये आएंगे, प्लस प्लस साइन आएंगे नीचे. When you click that plus sign, you will get sticky notes. Or sticky notes, you can change the colors and you can write your name of your friend and done. Click. You all can do this. I can arrange this. It's very interesting activity. Better do it. If you have any problem, you ask me. Are you able to do this?
Ma'am, where is the link?
I have sent the link in chat window. Okay, I will post in this where the meeting is taking also. There also I will post. No issue. Chat window, chat where we do chatting, there I have posted the link. You can get it in the post, general post also you can get it. It is there. Wait, I will post this also once again here.
Ma'am, it is asking to download the app Jamboard.
That is what I told Anna, you have to download it. Okay, fine. Those who haven't downloaded, no issue. What you can do is that you can use the chat box for writing the answer. You can use the chat box for writing the answer, children. Those who are not haven't downloaded this one, hardly matters. Don't worry. You can use the chat box for writing the answer.
Ma'am, it is not opening.
For whom it's for Mayank, it will not open. For many have done it here. I can see their best friends, they have written over here. Drishya, best friend Tanushree, Chirag, Uddhav, Kushal. You all have written the names of your friends. Chirag, Harsh, enemy, anger, someone. Enemy should be in the next page. I'm deleting this one. Whoever has written enemy, you can write it in the next page. Ritu Agarwal, friend. Ritu Agarwal, best friend. Veena, enemy. You all have written. Many of you have written. Everyone is doing. It's excellent, beta. In another page, let me see what you have written in another page. Yes, you all are writing. I can see many of you have written these things. Your best friend and worst enemy. Very nicely writing. Now, best friend is there. Joy. Kanak. Shivam. You all are putting these things. Yes. Yes. Worst enemy also you are writing. Keep writing. Good, good. You people are doing amazing job. Better keep doing. Only 2 pages you have to fill where I have given the this one heading.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, something went wrong with my network. So can I message you in your personal number?
No, you can do it in this one itself. What do you call?
Chat box.
Chat box. Yes. Thank you.
I'm done.
Yes, yes. I'm seeing that only. I'm rearranging all the things, whatever you have given. Better you can use the sticky notes. Don't draw like this. Instead of this, you can use the sticky note. You can use your sticky notes, children. स्टिकी नोट्स प्लस साइन के साथ आती है. See it. Okay, fine. Megha is writing. Okay. Oh, someone is excellent helping me to arrange it. Very good, Vinay. Great. Let me go to the first page. I want to take the picture of your best friend. Okay. Okay, but it's enough. Most of you have written. It's enough for me. Let me come to this meeting once again. Don't stick there. Now you come to the meeting now. Let us join the meeting. See, very few have written, you all have written your best friend and your worst enemy. But you should always remember your best friend and your worst enemy is you yourself only. आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड और एनिमी बाहर से कहीं से नहीं आएंगे. Your best friend is also within you and your worst enemy is also within you. How many of you agree this? Raise your hand. How many of you agree this? Yes, ma'am. What you said is right.
Ma'am, many people wrote this only.
You are like this. Many people wrote this only. Fine. Still, many of them have written the names for them. I am saying, okay. Yes, beta. Your best friend is you. If you want to do something, for example, if you want to get up early in the morning, one side of your friend, one best friend of you inside will say, for example, Ashutosh Sato, Ashutosh, Uto. That is your best friend. एक और जो वर्स्ट फ्रेंड अंदर रहता है वो बोलते हैं आशुतोष लेटो कितना अच्छा नींद आ रहा है सोते हैं हम थोड़ा. That is your best friend is also within you and your worst friend is also within you. Now it is up to you whom you consider, whom you give the preference. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You all agree? Yes, yes. Now let me show my PPT regarding this, what I have prepared. Let us start the journey. So you are your best friend. जैसे तुमने decide कर लिया, I have to do this. Nobody is there to stop you. जैसे तुमने decide कर लिया, I will not do, then all the things in your life becomes an obstacle only. थोड़ा सा हर चीज में you will blame the system, you will blame the environment. You will keep on finding the faults of others. You will never improve. Right? Right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing my
Yes.
PPT I have made for this for you. Now let us come to this word. How many of you thought cogito मतलब क्या होगा? Is there anyone who thought about this? Because ma'am ने तो ये word नहीं बोला है. And I have coined this word. And can any one of you say what is the meaning of cogito?
Thinking.
Thinking. Yes, right. Thinking. It is a Latin word meaning thinking. What is it? It is a Latin word. Meaning of this word is thinking.
Thinking.
So let me
Exciting of knowing something.
excited.
of knowing something.
No. See, we know many things. Everywhere we are trying to know one or the other. We are trying to find new things in our way. Isn't it? Knowing exactly what you said, what you all said are right only for this. Cogito is a Latin word. The meaning of this is learning. What is the meaning of this?
Learning.
As Anya rightly said, I am a learner. Right from the beginning, everywhere we are learning only. Okay, children? Right from the beginning till the day we leave the earth, it is all about learning only. Freya, you want to say something better?
No, ma'am.
Your hand is raised, that's why I'm asking. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I'm trying to bring this my what do you call, PPT? Okay, are you able to see my PPT?
Ma'am, you have stopped sharing.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, just a minute.
Ma'am, you stop sharing.
Okay, just now it came. Okay. Now it is sharing. This is the problem of network beta. Yes, I suppose you can see my PPT now.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wait.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Okay, it's opening. Just give
No,
me
ma'am.
yes. It's opening. You give me a minute, better it will open. Is it now visible?
Yes.
Yes. Ma'am is not as techno savior like you. I'm a beginner only, but I thought that I should give to my children. That's why I made this PPT. And this first slide is about cogito ergo sum. What is the meaning of cogito ergo sum? Means I think, therefore I am. That is what I told. Whatever you are, it is because of your thinking process. The way you think, the way you lead your life. If you think you are going to excel, certainly you will excel. If you want to conquer the world is at your feet. Alexander is an example for this. He has conquered the whole world because he was having the burning desire. So the I think, therefore I am. It's very powerful, better. I think. You are thinking. That means you are in present. Therefore you are. You are here because of your thinking only. That have you understood this? This presentation you are here because of your thinking only. Your thinking is different from others. That's why you are here. Otherwise, you would have been sitting at home and enjoying the tea or coffee with your mama and playing games or watching movies like that. See, when a newborn baby was born, जैसे एक बच्चे इस दुनिया में आते हैं, only 4 programs were coded in that baby. First one is that eating. Second one is that crying. Third one is running, and fourth one is reproduction. If a baby is born on the earth, only 4 programs are coded in that baby. First one is what I said, eating. Second one is fighting, not that one. Second one is fighting. It fights for each and everything. Whatever the baby wants, it tries to show some action like fighting and it gets it. And if the fight is not successful, then it run away from that. And last one is reproduction. You all know about that. Producing of its own kind. So when a baby is born in the universe, its brain is neutral, without able to identify what is right and what is wrong. And when the baby grows, then according to the environment it gets, according to the experience it gets, the brain starts developing. When a baby is born, the brain is neutral. And one thing, most interesting thing about the brain is that, better, as you all told, critical thinking starts at the age of 3 itself. तुम्हारा brain अभी जितना भी आज after attending this, even if your brain is increased or extended or stretched by 1 millimeter, that means never and ever this brain will come to its original size. किसी भी चीज से आपका brain थोड़ा सा भी stretch हुआ, by doing good things, by learning good things, means never and ever your brain will come to its original size. Your experiences are always with you. Now, if I ask you a thing, can you sing a song? Can anyone sing a song now? Answer is blank now. ये होते हैं opportunity. This is what you call it as an opportunity. I gave an opportunity, for open opportunity for everyone. Can you sing a song? लेकिन तुम्हारा अंदर एक inner voice was there. That inner voice is not allowing you to sing. Maybe this, your inner voice may be saying, मैम ऐसा पूछ रहे हैं, मैं गाऊं नहीं गाऊं. This may be one thing. अगर मैंने गा, if I sing a song, would it be a good song or not? अगर मैं गा भी लिया है तो भी बाकी लोग मेरे को मजाक भी उड़ा सकते हैं. There may be so many branches of questions and doubts in you. That's why you haven't sung a song for me. The opportunity comes to you only 3 times. Many may say 1 time, but I believe 3 times you may get an opportunity. First one is that right now what the opportunity I threw on you. First is that I gave an opportunity, open opportunity to, can anyone sing a song? This is, you are not aware about this opportunity and you haven't grabbed this opportunity and this opportunity went away from you. ये opportunity तुमने catch नहीं किया, grab नहीं किया, आपके हाथ से निकल गए. Because you are not in an awareness, you are not having that awareness. Out of 47 here, कोई भी एक, yes ma'am, I can sing a song. So many singers are there, hardly matters. मैंने ये नहीं बोला, can any good singer sing a song for me? Can you sing a beautiful song for me? Simple question is, can you sing a song? That's it. तुम तो तुम्हारे हिसाब से गा रहे हैं, ये अच्छा होगा बुरा होगा वो बाकी लोग देखने दो ना. You are fulfilling the you got an opportunity to sing and but you left it. Second one is that now your brain is in alert mode. अभी आपके brain alert mode में हो गए. अभी next जो भी मैं बोलूंगी, you will try to grab that opportunity. अभी देखो, first opportunity when it came, it was open. That time most of your brain is not in an alert position. अगर किसी के brain alert है तो you would have grabbed it and you would have got that opportunity. Second one, after saying this, all your maximum 47 में से out of 47 it may be 40 children का brain और 47 है मेरे लिए अच्छे हैं, सारे अच्छे हैं. 47 का brain active हो जाता है. Now getting a chance is very difficult. Like in the first who are you पूछने से you gave the answers enough. Very few raised their hand. And they gave the answers also. It may be silly, it may be funny, it may be anything. You are giving your opinion. What is wrong in it? So there is always an inner voice inside you. It starts autopiloting your actions. जैसे तो तुम्हारा inner अंदर एक voice होती है, वो जैसे कोई भी action बोलने के लिए करने के लिए बोलते हैं, वो तुम्हारा ऑटो पायलट करने लग जाता है. मत करो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो करके तो. And your success rate depends on how loud your inner voice is. If your inner voice is less loud, then you would be able to overcome it. If your inner voice is so loud, definitely you won't be able to overcome it. सही है गलत है? सही है?
Yes.
So,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoy.
ma'am.
Is it going on right track, Becca?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
I also need motivation
Yes, ma'am.
from you all. Okay. Third one is when you get an opportunity, you may not be in a position to go for it. जैसे तुम्हें एक opportunity मिल रहा है. For example, तुम्हें football match, IPSC football team में you are selected. At the same time, your board exam is also there. You got an opportunity, but which one you prefer for?
Board exams.
Obviously,
Board
exam. So the third time opportunity came, but you were not in a position to take that opportunity. So 3 times you get an opportunity. The best is that आप लोग का mind critical thinking है तो you can grab the opportunity at the first go itself, and you can get the use of it to the fullest. आपको जो मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी में मिल जाती है, एंड सेकेंड वन में कंपटीशन बढ़ जाता है. नाउ द थिंग इज दैट, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. मैम ने बोला एक इनर वॉइस होता है, वो आपको हमेशा बोलती है ये मत करो, वो मत करो, डोंट डू दिस. It has been already pre-programmed in your brain. Do you know, children, when you are growing up, even including me also, as a parent, I would have said daily 23 negative words में daily use करती हूँ. On an average, as a parent, I'm using 23 negative words minimum per day. This is the survey taken. And जैसे जैसे तुम बड़ा होते आएंगे, एट द एज ऑफ 18 तुमने 1,48 नेगेटिव लाइंस तुमने सुना होगा. तुमसे नहीं होगा, ये मत करो, वो मत करो, वहां मत जाओ, ये मत देखो, ये मत लिखो, यहाँ मत बैठो, ये मत खाओ. So many negative sentence you would have thought. तुमसे नहीं होगा, you cannot try, you are not meant for this. ऐसे negative sentence are already pre-programmed in your brain. But early when I started my presentation, I said that your brain is neutral. But at the age of 18, your brain is occupied. It has its own programming is done now. That inner voice, कब ये तुम्हारा against काम करता है? If you are getting an unfavorable environment, जो environment में तुम comfort नहीं है, उस time तुम्हारा inner voice बहुत loud हो जाती है. You will be hearing your inner voice only. You won't be able to overcome it. If your self-esteem is high, then in that case you can overcome your inner voice. It all depends on your self-esteem. See how to reprogram your brain. Very interesting thing, children. So let me share this next slide. See, you all love to have candies. सबको पसंद है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Children
ma'am.
of your age group, everyone. I haven't seen a child saying that I hate this. Everyone love it. और ये देते टाइम कितना चेहरा मुस्कुराता है. This is your favorite one. Many of yours are favorite. And जब एक survey was carried out, and the children were divided into 2 groups. And a lot of candies were placed in front of them. जैसे घर में जो रोजाना एक्टिविटी है उसी में कैंडीज डेली इनके सामने रख दिया, दोनों ग्रुप्स के सामने रख दिया. एंड वन सेट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन तो ये बोल दिया, यू ऑलवेज से टू योरसेल्फ, आई शैल नॉट ईट कैंडी. You say that I shall not eat candy. One group of children were asked to say this sentence daily. When they see the candy, वो बोलो, अपना बोलो, I shall not eat candy बोलो, then वो बोल लेते हैं. Then another group of children were told that I don't eat candies. Another group, they were asked to say this one repeatedly and see what the result comes. ये बोलना है, बोलने के बाद तुम्हें खाने का मन है तो खा सकते हैं, नहीं खाने का मन है तो छोड़ सकते हैं. It is not for a day or 2 days. 6 months this research was carried out. And उसके बाद when the result came after 6 months, it's very surprising beta. The result came is that I shall not eat candy में only 39% of the children were not having the feeling for eating the candies. सिर्फ 39% of the children is successful रिया. But I don't eat candy जिन्होंने बोला उन लोग 64%, nearly double. They were able to have the self control on themselves. I say है क्या है sentence में? Can you say this? What is that? What is that percentage? इनका भी ये भी बोला है, इनके सामने भी कैंडीज रखा, इनके सामने भी कैंडीज रखा. सिर्फ एक स्टेटमेंट, एक सेंटेंस में what makes the difference? Any idea?
Ma'am, I don't eat candy.
One at a time. Who is saying? Can you say your name, beta?
Sansita.
Wait, someone else started. Sansita, I will take you a little later. Who else started?
Anya.
Arpit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arpit, come on.
मैम आई डोंट ईट कैंडीज वाला ने जब बोला तब उसने अपना माइंडसेट ऐसे डेवलप कर लिया कि उसको कैंडी खानी ही नहीं है। और जब उसने
Okay.
जिसने बोला आई शेल नॉट ईट कैंडी, तो उसका
Hmm.
माइंडसेट ये था कि मुझे कैंडीज मतलब आई शेल नॉट ईट, लाइक
Hmm. Hmm.
मुझे ये खानी नहीं चाहिए।
Hmm.
तो इस
Candy
वजह से
चाहिए.
हाँ खानी नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन उसने
Okay.
ये नहीं सोचा कि मुझे, उसका माइंडसेट ऐसे डेवलप नहीं हुआ कि मुझे नहीं खानी है, किसी के
Hmm.
प्रेशर से मुझे नहीं खानी चाहिए, ये कुछ हो
Okay.
जाएगा उस।
Okay. Hmm. Okay. Thank you, beta. Arpit. Next, who wants to say? Sanjita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, in one sentence, they are saying that I don't eat candies. Like, if I say
Hmm.
that I don't eat candies, means I don't like candies and I don't eat it ever. And in one
Okay.
sentence, they are saying that I shall not, means someone is saying that they should not eat candies. That's why
Okay.
they are saying that I shall not eat candies. Like they want to eat, but someone is saying that they shall not.
If I have understood you clearly, means you are saying this one is the statement decision taken by this group of children. This decision has been taken by someone else and forced on them. Is this the way you want to explain?
Exactly, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Next. Next, who wants to say? देखो बेटा अभी मैंने
Ma'am,
आपको
I
ना opportunity.
ma'am.
Yes, I ma'am कौन है
Aditya,
ma'am? Name yes
Aditya,
Aditya.
Aditya.
Say your name beta. You
Ma'am,
are
when
being see wait. In online teaching only you get this opportunity to say your name proudly. Aditya ma'am saying this. See how nice it looks. है ना? बोलो Aditya say.
yes,
Hmm.
ma'am, when they said that we don't eat candies, ma'am. Ma'am, in that sentence there was 100% confirmation that they will not eat. And when the second one told that we shall not eat, they are means not completely prepared that we will not eat.
Okay, preparation. This is their mindset you are saying. Sentence are weak and this sentence is strong and this sentence saying this,
Yes,
their
ma'am.
mindset differs. Okay. Next, anyone else?
मैम अभिषेक,
Yes, Abhishek.
मैम जब पहले ग्रुप वालों ने आई डोंट ईट कैंडी ये सब बोला तो इस पूरे सेंटेंस में एक पॉजिटिविटी थी, ये पूरे सेंटेंस में ये पॉजिटिविटी थी कि वो ये कैंडी नहीं खाएंगे। पर यही अगर हम सेकंड सेंटेंस की बात करें तो आई शैल नॉट ईट कैंडी, इसमें कहीं ना कहीं ये सेल वर्ड निगेटिविटी ला रहा है।
अच्छा, it is your feeling dear. इसमें भी I don't eat, I shall not negativity feel के साथ बोल रहा है. He is full of emotional way he is saying. Okay. Any other wants to add?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
yes,
I speak?
yes, beta. Who is that?
Ma'am, Gungun.
Ashwin.
Yes, Ashwin. Ashwin. Yes, Gungun. Hold a minute, beta. Ashwin.
Ma'am, if both the groups were told by two other people, then there must be the difference about who is saying that. Like for example, if my one of the friend comes to me and say that acids turn blue litmus to red, then
Okay.
then I won't be agreeing to him. But a
Okay.
teacher like you or Bindu ma'am tells me that, then I will just agree that because we have just trust on you that you won't say us lie. So
Okay.
you
Thank you
cannot.
for trusting us, dear. Thanks a lot. Love you a lot. Tons and tons of loads and loads of love to you. But this statement is said by both the statements are given by the same person. Yes, Gungun now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the group which is saying that we don't eat candies, that means they're 100% sure that they will not eat the candies. They don't like the candies, but the group which is saying that we shall not eat the candies, that means they are not perfectly 100% sure. मतलब they are like कोई उन्हें ऐसा बोल रहा है कि ये candy तुम्हें नहीं खाना चाहिए. They are confused. They are doubtful that I shall eat or I shall not eat.
I'm very happy that you all are giving your ideas, beta. Nothing wrong. These ideas are good. You are generating ideas means you are thinking. That is what I want my children to do now. I want you people to stimulate your thinking. I'm here only to stimulate. Bas, ma'am, ignite करती हूँ. Rest of the thing you have to do on your own. See this. Yes, it is not there, I suppose. That slide is missing. Okay, I have deleted. Okay. See, look at this
Ma'am,
framing of
Ankita.
two. Yes, Ankita.
Ma'am, I think when they were saying na, that I don't eat candies, so they were talking about present. Ki in present they will not eat any candy. But when they will telling na, ki we shall not eat candy. I think that time they were talking about the future, that yeah, in future they'll not eat candy.
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Today you made my day, Ankita. Really. See, one thing what I have decided is that एक वीक का जो व्हाट्सएप में हमारा इस ग्रुप में उन्हीं का पिक्स रखेंगे, those who are doing excellently well in this workshop. जो वर्कशॉप में एक ने अच्छे से आंसर्स दिया, उन्हीं का पिक एक वीक के लिए रखेंगे. It is just like a reward for that child. We will do that. Exactly what she said is right. Look at this sentence carefully. I shall not eat candy. I don't eat candy. I said one thing. Abhi ma'am ne slide start karte time I said one thing. Our brain always lives in present. I think, therefore I am. I think, that is in present. Same here. Look here. Here this I shall not eat candy. में क्या बोल रहा है? Whenever the children see the candies, they are saying this sentence. Then they will say, oh, it's for future only. I shall not eat candy. बाद में नहीं खाऊंगा ना. आज तो खा सकती हूँ ना. It's a good day. Today is my friend's birthday, and I should enjoy the candies. Today I very much deserve to have a candy because I have done all the work as per my expectations. So अपना mind auto programming start कर लेता है. The sentence which you are saying, देखो बेटा कितना impact होता है ये sentence. Just you see this. And I don't eat candy means it is in present. Present में बोल रहा है I don't eat candy. Clear, cut and throw. मैं नहीं खाऊंगी, खत्म. ब्रेन इस बात को ज्यादा समझती है. प्रेजेंट में नहीं खाना मीन्स नहीं खाना, खत्म. That is why the result is like this. 39% of the children were able to control themselves, whereas here 64% of the children are able to control. See the impact of the sentence. See the impact of the words. Brain, how it takes. Okay. Now the question is, हम लोग reprogramming brain को कैसे बना? How you have to reprogram your brain. You can write the answers. आप 5 sentences बना दो. It is not like that you have to make lot of sentences. You make just 5 sentences. But what is the condition for making those 5 sentences? What is the condition for making 5 sentences? All those sentences should be in
Present.
Present. It's very difficult, children. You try, let me see. Can anyone try to make, I don't want a hurry-burry answer for this. I can ask you in the next class, what sentence you have framed and what you have to do. And what you have to do, that I will tell you now. You sit alone after this workshop and try to explore yourself, and you make 5 the best things you want in you to develop. Write only those 5 sentences. And that sentence you should write in present. और इसके बाद next step क्या करना है? It is very important, children. Pay attention here. वो 5 sentence का रोजाना अपना अच्छे से mood जो full of energy, enthusiasm and self confidence के सामने mirror के सामने खड़े हो जाओ and speak these 5 sentences to yourself. I told Nana, you are the best friend. With full of josh. जैसा I don't eat candy. I don't eat candy. बहुत जोश के साथ बोलो. फिर ये 5 सेंटेंस बोलने के बाद आपको ये क्या लग रहा है? एक ही दिन में तुम्हारा ब्रेन ये सारे एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे. हाँ हाँ हाँ, मेरे लिए इसने बोल दिया, मैं आज से इसका जो भी बोल रहे हैं I will follow, listen to him. ऐसा लग रहा है क्या? First, your brain will make mockery on you. पहले मजाक उड़ाएगी तुम्हारा ब्रेन. हाँ हाँ, मुझे नहीं पता है क्या तुम ऐसे कितना रेजोल्यूशंस बनाया न्यू ईयर में. हाँ, इस साल से मैं ऐसा करूंगा, वैसा करूंगा, ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा करके एक दिन 4 दिन भी नहीं कर पाते, फिर छोड़ देते. मुझे पता है तुम्हारा बारे में. would be the statement, exactly the command that your brain would be giving for you. But nevertheless, don't leave it. Brain तुम्हारा अंदर आएंगे. You keep on saying 10 days, 15 days, 20 days बोलने के बाद तुम्हारा brain में really this programming starts. This one. Power of words. This one starts. And slowly you can see the changes in you. Have you understood this, children?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now? आज जो sentence frame कर रहे हैं, here is a sample of those sentence. जो तुम लोग ने frame कर रहे हैं, it is up to you. But I have thought that इसमें से आपको जो अच्छा लग रहा है, if you want, you can go for it. Otherwise, you can frame your own sentence. The best way is that you can think at least किस तरीके से बना सकते हैं. I told Anna, I'm here to just ignite you. The spark you have to produce in you. There are many sentences. Can anyone help me to read out the sentence?
Ma'am, that screen is not visible only.
Ma'am, we can see only one first slide.
Exactly, ma'am. Only first slide is visible. Otherwise, no slide
Which
is
line?
visible.
Which line? Which line you are able to see?
Ma'am, in order to seek the truth, it's necessary once the course of life to doubt as far as possible of all the things.
Okay. It is another. Throughout you are seeing the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Array, my God. Beautiful presentation I have made, and you were not seeing that one. Now what you are seeing?
Same only,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
that slide only.
Still that slide only.
Ma'am, that is a network problem, ma'am. You can click on that slide, ma'am. Name 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, I am clicking better. I am doing that only. Are you seeing something on the screen now? Different?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute. Better mute yourself. Mute yourself. From why you didn't say that you were not able to see the screen करके तो?
And we were having like only we are not able to see or something.
अच्छा. If it is so, na, get it confirmed better. Okay.
Chitra ma'am, net is very slow.
Net is very slow. Oh, Bindu ma'am is also there. Thank you, ma'am. When you joined, ma'am?
From starting, I joined for 5-10 minutes. I was out of initially.
Okay. See, look at this. Are you able to see? Are you able to see my screen, children?
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am. Very beautiful presentation I made. Okay. This presentation, I will put it in this post window if possible. You can see those things. Okay, children. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
And this one, I want you people to read it for me. I would love to hear it from you. So I'm not going to read it. In the next session, we can discuss about all those things. Got it, children?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Bindu ma'am? See,
Yes, ma'am.
one thing, children, like this, in this group, we are having Joshi sir also, Kumar sir also, and Bindu ma'am also. And few more teachers may also be joining us. Have you understood? It is not like that. We are going. Are you able to see my screen now?
No, ma'am. Once it came, but
No,
again.
Only blackout.
Which one?
Ma'am, BSNL is not working.
Okay.
So if you try with this hotspot, then it will work, I think.
Okay. Hotspot. Okay. See, these things are very precious things for me, beta. Whatever you have done today, it's a very nice for me to share all those things. And I want to take the pic of I will send these pics in the group. Okay. Many of you have written brain, best friend and worst enemy. Many of you have done very nicely. And I haven't seen this you, and later on I will rearrange and come. Okay. I think it's 1 hour is over now. If you want to ask
Yes,
something, you
ma'am.
can ask. If you have something that has to be discussed, we can have a small interaction. Otherwise, if it is not there, we can leave. Yes,
मैम
yes, beta.
मैम वो जो दूसरे ग्रुप में जो बच्चे थे उनमें भी 32% ऐसे बच्चे थे जिनका ब्रेन चेंज हो गया, मतलब जो चॉकलेट नहीं खाते हैं, तो उनका रीजन क्या था? उनको तो मतलब वो वर्ड बोल रहे थे कि वी शैल, तो भी उनका माइंड कैसे चेंज हो गया?
बेटा वो ये नहीं बोला है ना, वो भी सेंटेंस सही है ना, दैट इज नॉट अ रॉन्ग सेंटेंस, वो भी सेंटेंस सही है। उनको सिर्फ वो क्या है, ब्रेन है ना, फ्यूचर में देखो, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज दैट हम उस तरीका से वर्ड्स यूज करना चाहिए जिससे हमें ज्यादा फायदा होता है। और उस वाला में रिजल्ट क्या होता है, दे आर डूइंग द सेम एक्टिविटी लाइक द अदर ग्रुप, बट द रिजल्ट इज व्हाट, रिजल्ट इज व्हाट, not up to the mark है ना बेटा। Have you understood? जो result
Ma'am, I don't think it's a more stronger word, more stronger sentence.
I couldn't hear. Speak it once again, beta.
Ma'am, I don't think it's a more stronger sentence.
Stronger sentence नहीं है बेटा। Brain का functioning itself is it works in present. देखो, if you are walking on the road में आपको पूरा alert कौन, क्या, which part of the body remains? It is the brain. Brain only stops you from. Yes.
देखो उसका सिंपल एग्जाम्पल है।
Wait, Bindu ma'am is sharing. Listen.
Positivity to us.
सिंपल एग्जाम्पल है, आपसे बोल रहे, चित्रा मैम बोल रहे आपको आज कॉपी दिखाना है, ठीक है, आज ही कॉपी दिखाना है। कितने लोग दिखाएंगे? मैक्सिमम लोग दिखाएंगे ना, मैक्सिमम लोग दिखाएंगे। उसमें भी होगा 80% दिखाएंगे और 20% नहीं दिखाएंगे। चित्रा मैम मैं बोल रहे कॉपी आज भी दिखा सकता है, कल भी दिखा सकता है, तो कितना लोग दिखाएंगे इसमें?
20% आज।
20% दिखाएंगे। वही वो 20% है, उसमें जो 30% है ना, वही 20% है। आगे समझ में? उधर एक चॉइस आ गया, एक चॉइस आ गया इनके पास। सही है मैम?
आपका एग्जैक्टली मैम, थैंक यू सो मच मैम। एग्जैक्टली व्हाट मैम सेड इज, अपना ब्रेन रिलैक्स करना शुरू हो जाता है। जैसे बोलो आप एग्जैक्टली इफ यू आर गिविंग यू अ होमवर्क, आप बोल रहे मैम कल नहीं मैम परसों ले लो, परसों ले लो बोलने का मतलब क्या है? टुडे यू विल नॉट वर्क, टुमारो आल्सो यू विल, टुमारो ओनली यू विल स्टार्ट टू वर्क, बिकॉज आपके ब्रेन समझ जाता है। इट इज द मोस्ट, देखो बेटा वर्ल्ड में, दुनिया में जितना भी मशीन्स हैं उससे ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इज अवर ह्यूमन ब्रेन। स्टिल मेनी एरियाज आर देयर इन द ब्रेन दैट हैज नॉट बीन एक्सप्लोर्ड। उसका प्रोग्रामिंग कैसा, फंक्शनिंग क्या है, हमें समझ नहीं आया। So the brain always lives in present. That is it. Okay. That is why I asked you to make 5 present sentences. Yes. Next.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Anya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I have a small doubt, but I think that matters a lot. In the first story which I told at the starting of the class about that person who had an accident. So, ma'am, you told us that there was a crowd around him, and only when the other person came to see why there was a crowd, that he got. It was his son, and he took him to the hospital.
Okay.
But then, what was the crowd doing?
देखो, the crowd was, देखो, it is not necessary that everyone should do a help. Just to narrate, I am saying. Okay. This way, if you think, na, then you won't be able to get a solution for the problem. The crowd where जैसा accident हुआ है तो क्या होता है वहां पर? If you fell down on the ground, क्या होता है? You are going for this one skating. You do, है ना बेटा? You went for skating. There you fell down on the ring. What would happen? Immediately क्या होगा?
Everyone will gather.
Then
They'll start asking, "Are you okay?"
Yes, ma'am. Have you identified who is C? Bindu ma'am. Bindu ma'am. No. It is Vedanshi.
Oh. Chirag.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Vedanshi sir.
Vedanshi. See beta, see the things. Dekho, D hai, she has passed 12 with a good flying colors. She came out. Vedanshi, a big congratulations to you, beta. You have excelled in all the field. She has taken admission in 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th is her journey in LKS. After leaving this also, see how she is connected. If there is a will, there is a way. She has given her willingness, seeing Chirag's this one message. She has given her willingness, ma'am, I also want to be a part of it. And here she is. And see the way, that is what I told her, you people are awesome. For me, everyone here right now, let me see how many are there in this meeting. You people are excellent. For 39 are there. Excellent. You are different from others. If you do the same work daily, how can you expect a different result? You have already, your brain has already developed that mechanism of doing a different thing from others. That's why बेटा देखो openly class में इतना सारे बच्चों को बोला है, उनमें से you only have got this, you only have decided yes I have to do. देखो decision making में बताऊं किसी बच्चों को क्या है करके. Today when I circulated the message, one boy is asking me, ma'am 5 o'clock मेरे को class है ma'am, मेरे को क्या करना है? See the decision making skill. It is he who has to decide मेरे को क्या करना है. And he is asking me, ma'am, मेरे को क्या करना है? And those who are having this critical thinking, those who are having this, what I have to say, this very fine quality है ना, they can make the things done. आपको मेरे को हमेशा forever वो वाला ad पसंद आता है बेटा टीवी में. वो बच्चा बोलते ना, मम्मी टीवी देखते देखते पढ़ो. Have you seen that ad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
It's out of way, बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो कुछ बच्चे स्मार्ट होते हैं. If I ask, let me take Amog, तुम्हारा कॉपी का तुम क्लास रोजाना क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Then Amog would say, मैम मेरा काम पूरा कंप्लीट है. See the difference, right? Anya, इस तरीका से होते हैं, things are होते हैं. You are creative, you are having a this one language के तरफ तुम्हारा inclination होते हैं. For writing stories, you can develop from there. But critical thinking is related to something like mathematics better. You have to be very much to the point. Vedanshi will say. हमें ना इस तरीके से चीजें आने से हमें divert नहीं होना चाहिए. You should go towards the target. मैम ने क्वेश्चन पूछा टू गेट द आंसर फ्रॉम यू ऑल, सिंपल, उसी में फोकस करो, राइट? अन्या,
yes ma'am.
Is it okay बेटा?
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
And don't have any hesitation बेटा, whatever comes in the mind you just ask it. ये जो क्लास है, I am also learning, ma'am is also learning, we all are learning with you. और in fact हमसे ज्यादा तुम लोग को पता है. We are learning together. Have you got it? Have you got it or not?
Yes,
ma'am.
चलो, और एक
Yes,
बार
ma'am.
वो सारे सीट में आ जाएं. Anything you want to ask? I think it's almost 1 hour 10 minutes gone बेटा. Anything you want to ask? Any more thing? बेटा बोलना, मेरे को ये पसंद नहीं है, जो नहीं बोलते वो पसंद नहीं.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And one humble request है बेटा, I am not like other teachers. बिंदु मैम को पता है, ठीक है? मेरे को क्या है ना, I am also childish. I also need some feedback from you. That is going to motivate me. Have you got it?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vedanshi is also saying, I
Yes,
know
ma'am.
this, ma'am. करके तो ठीक है. See, if the way I said, you did you love it or not? You are awesome. You are unique. You are different from others. You are wonderful. You are excellent. You are achiever. You are a winner. All the sentence you listen, when you hear it, how do you feel about you?
Oh, Chitra ma'am, you are marvelous.
On the seventh cloud.
Seventh cloud, ninth cloud. Okay. देखो बेटा, this is the effect
Ninth
of positive thinking. This is the effect of this positive words. Let us spread this positive words everywhere. Let us be in that one only. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yes,
fact, I
ma'am.
have
Yes.
prepared another
Yes, ma'am.
PPT also. But as ma'am has said, network is not working good. That is why I am not sharing. That PPT which I showed you and explained, है ना, that I will try to put in the group. Ma'am, उसमें डाल सकते हैं क्या ma'am? In
कौन से
PPT
group
can we
में?
put post?
हाँ,
इसी में
कर सकते हैं ना मैम.